we will discuss how AI is changing the game for investor. In today's episode, we will thrilled to welcome Dr. Sergey Sebestok, founder and CEO of tailor-made. tailor-made is an AI-powered investment platform.
We created a platform which takes and trains the models on the different market conditions, which can analyze existing algorithms and train them on the different market conditions.
The market is very imbalanced, and when Sunday President Trump announced the global tariff, the market became very shaky. Could you discuss the key issues in your industry?
Absence of a calculational power which hedge funds have. That's the main problem, the absence of these abilities to compete.
Someone can provide to safeguard their money. They're going to lose money, isn't it, in these ups and downs after the change of US government? How do you produce, or how do you safeguard, or how do you train your model?
You have to look at some parameters which are somewhat extraordinary, and they're describing some specifics, maybe in advance, so-called like leading indicators.
That's a great explanation. Who are the clients you aim to help?
So we actually created these copy trading capabilities just for exact purpose of people who don't want to get engaged with tools. They just want to do the copy trade.
It will be very helpful for the people they wanted to invest in the future.
So some of our ETFs right now up 25-30% versus the market is down 25%. And this hedging is a unique capabilities which we trained our AI when you're going to get to the long position, and then you're going to get to the long position as a hedge. And with the hedge, you skip the worst day on the market, and that way you can outperform the market.
And I think tailor-made has that magic wand to tailor methodology, how you can invest thoughtfully. What benefits make you an ideal collaborator?
So let's split these people into two groups, traders and investors who are just investing and don't get involved heavily. Then the one parameter they should look at is the VIX, which representing the volatility on the market. My recommendation in general is to try to reduce the long positions and stay invested when the VIX is like below 15 or somewhere below 20. And if you're a trader, then you should be relying on this VIX on volatility, and actually can make more money, even though the projections for the next year, maybe for the next 10 years, that the returns are going to be very weak.